The future is now. Top AI tools of 2024. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only helps you plan your day but also writes emails, edits videos, and manages your finances. Sounds futuristic, right? But here's the thing. The future is already here, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is moving from just being a tech buzzword to an everyday tool that's shaping how we live and work. That's why today, we're diving into the top AI tools that you can start using right now to boost productivity, improve creativity, manage finances, and even help with health goals. These aren't just cool apps, they're designed to make technology work for you, so you can accomplish more with less stress. Stick around because you'll definitely want to add some of these tools to your daily routine. Productivity powerhouse, Notion AI and Motion. Kicking off our list, let's talk productivity. We're all about that life hack, that efficiency boost. Ever wish you could get an extra set of hands to organize your day? Well, tools like Notion AI and Motion are here to help. Notion AI. You know Notion, that super flexible workspace app? Now imagine it with a brain boost. Notion AI can assist with everything from note-taking to project planning. Need to summarize a long article? Notion AI. Want to generate some creative ideas for your next project? Notion AI. And then there's Motion. Motion is like a virtual time management expert living in your browser or phone. It's all about helping you focus on what matters most, without the overwhelm. Write smarter, not harder. Jasper and Grammarly AI. Let's be real, writing can be tough. Whether it's crafting that perfect email, nailing a blog post, or even just trying to get your thoughts down on paper. But here's where AI comes in, not to replace you, but to become your secret writing weapon. Tools like Jasper and Grammarly's AI are taking writing assistance to a whole new level. Jasper is all about helping you break through writer's block and create high-quality content, fast. You give it some prompts, some keywords, maybe a little bit of your own voice, and boom! It generates different options for you to work with. It's like having a brainstorming partner, a copywriter, and an editor all rolled into one. And then there's Grammarly. Now you might know Grammarly for its grammar and spell-checking prowess, which, let's be honest, is already a lifesaver. But Grammarly's AI goes way beyond that. Editing magic. RunwayML and Descript. Alright, creatives, video editors, aspiring YouTubers, this one's for you, because we're talking about AI tools that can make your content pop. We all know that editing is where the magic happens, but it can also be the most time-consuming part of the process. But tools like RunwayML and Descript are changing the game, making professional-level editing accessible to everyone. RunwayML is like having a visual effects studio at your fingertips. Want to remove the background from your video without hours of green screen work? RunwayML can do it. How about adding some cool visual effects or animations? RunwayML has got you covered. And then there's Descript. This one's a game changer for video creators who work with a lot of dialogue or voiceover. Descript transcribes your audio into text, and here's the mind-blowing part. You can then edit your video by editing the text. It's like magic, but better because it's AI. Money management made easy. Cleo and Digit. Let's talk about money, something we all deal with, but not always in the most fun way. Budgeting, saving, managing expenses, it can feel like a chore. But what if AI could take some of that stress away? That's what apps like Cleo and Digit are all about, bringing AI smarts to your personal finances. Cleo is like your sassy but supportive financial friend. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a clear, no-nonsense view of your spending habits. And Cleo doesn't just show you the numbers, it helps you understand them. Digit takes a different approach to helping you save. It analyzes your income and spending patterns, then automatically sets aside small amounts of money into a dedicated savings account. It's like having a little savings elf working behind the scenes. Personalized wellness. Fitbod and Noom. Alright, let's talk about health and fitness. We all know that staying healthy is important, but sometimes it's hard to know where to start, right? Or maybe you're already working on your fitness goals but looking for that extra edge. Well, AI-powered tools like Fitbod and Noom are here to be your personalized wellness companions. Fitbod is like having a personal trainer in your pocket. But instead of just giving you generic workout routines, Fitbod creates custom plans based on your fitness level, goals, equipment, or lack thereof, and even how your body is feeling that day. And as you progress, Fitbod adapts, suggesting new exercises and adjusting the intensity to keep you challenged and engaged. Noom takes a more holistic approach to health, focusing on both the physical and mental aspects of well-being. Remember the days of endless Googling trying to find the right information for a school project or research paper? Yeah, those days might be over, thanks to AI tools like Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. These tools are like having a super-powered research assistant at your beck and call, ready to answer your questions and help you unlock knowledge like never before. Perplexity AI is your go-to for getting straight answers to your questions. Think of it like Google, but instead of just giving you a list of links to sift through, Perplexity provides direct answers, often pulling information from multiple sources to give you a comprehensive overview. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is like having a conversation with a super smart AI. You can ask it to explain complex concepts, summarize articles, even help you brainstorm ideas for projects. These AI tools aren't just about finding information, they're about understanding it. Ever wished you could speak another language? Or maybe you're traveling soon and need to brush up on your skills. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. And with AI tools like Duolingo and DeepL, it's easier and more accessible than ever before. Duolingo has become synonymous with language learning, and for good reason. Its gamified approach makes learning fun and engaging, while its AI-powered lessons adapt to your pace and learning style. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, Duolingo can help you build a solid foundation in your target language. DeepL, on the other hand, is all about translation. DeepL uses advanced AI algorithms to provide incredibly accurate and natural-sounding translations, taking into account things like context and nuance that often get lost in traditional translation software. For all the travel enthusiasts out there, we know that planning a trip can be both exciting and overwhelming. Finding the best deals on flights and accommodations, discovering hidden gems, creating the perfect itinerary, it's a lot to juggle. But fear not, fellow travelers, because AI is here to make your travel planning smoother and more enjoyable. Hopper is a must-have for finding the best deals on flights. This AI-powered app analyzes billions of data points to predict future flight prices, telling you the optimal time to book your tickets. Roam Around is your secret weapon for discovering off-the-beaten-path destinations and experiences. This AI-powered app curates personalized recommendations based on your interests, travel style, and budget. Whether you're looking for hidden cafes, local art scenes, or scenic hikes, Roam Around can help you uncover the soul of a city. And that's a wrap on the top AI tools making life easier in 2024. From productivity and health to travel and creativity, these AI tools have something for everyone. If you're ready to take advantage of AI to simplify your life, give these tools a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates on the latest tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.